Looking to boost your LinkedIn profile and make a strong first impression? Then you absolutely need a killer about section. I'm Akash, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how to add about section in LinkedIn. Here's how to add about section in LinkedIn. First, open your profile on your LinkedIn app or LinkedIn website. Then click on the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Then click on your View Profile tab. Now click on the Add Profile section. Now click Add About. Here you can see it will give you a description box and then skills option to add some skills. In the Edit About, you can write about your experiences, skills, or anything else that you think will give a strong first impression. You can add something like this, and then you can add some skills from the skills section. It will give you some suggested skills based on your profile. After adding your skills and the About section, click on the Save button. Your About section is ready. That's how you add About section in LinkedIn. If this video helped you, give us a like, consider subscribing to our channel, press the bell icon and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.